still believes in the relevance of smaller smartphones, and since it is not discontinued the iPhone SE, the iPhone SE 2 could be just around the corner, a very long corner. According to the latest info, the iPhone SE 2 launch date could be set during 2018. If you have a propensity of appreciating small, but very capable devices, perhaps you should wait for this one. That's great and all, but what if Apple took it a step further? What if the edge-to-edge display made its way to the iPhone SE, giving users a huge display in a tiny phone? Curved did a concept design, just that with a reimagined iPhone SE concept, and the result is the iPhone we've been asking for. The familiar boxy body returns, with the flat sides and dual-tone back of glass and metal. Even at 5 years old, this design still looks fantastic. Where the big difference occurs is on the front, with the edge-to-edge OLED display making its way from the iPhone X to the iPhone SE, including the notch. Reaching to top to bottom, the new display breathes life into the iPhone SE design. Curved's concept also imagines the iPhone SE with Touch ID embedded into the display. This isn't available right now, but there is talk Apple may include it in future iPhones. Other nice details Curved added for the iPhone SE, for the better or worse, was a new dual camera without a hump, and the deletion of the headphone jack. The former detail is welcomed, but the latter is not needed, even in a concept. If this phone existed, I'd take it over the iPhone X in a heartbeat. It offers a compact chassis that fits perfectly in the hand with an estimated 4.8-inch display. Apple now just needs to make it happen anyway, guys. We're not responsible or guarantee that the information on this video is 100% accurate. But what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for the latest